Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very clean 2007 Ford Explorer XLT 4-wheel drive, stock number B9032PA. Only 92,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, dark blue metallic in color. After our rigorous inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. The Explorer is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 7, leather interior, middle row seats full flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Hitch and wiring. (50/50) split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This XLT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, large, easy to read gauges, again only 92,000 miles, tilt wheel, cruise control, CD player, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto mode, heating and air conditioning, 5-speed automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, spacious glove box with all the owner's materials, and rear climate control overhead. Under the hood, this Explorer has a 4-liter V6, 210 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 20 on the highway, and approximately 80% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9032PA to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.